Hey everyone to the next rotation of albums. Now we already did the first Saiga song from the Sun. Now we have Fuki with 1,000,000 Scarlets, which I'm personally very interested in because I have no idea what kind of music it actually will be. Just know it's Fuki's solo project, and obviously I know Fuki's other projects, or most of them, I guess, are like Morpheus, Lightbringer, and Dollsbox. But so I'm expecting something kind of in that vein, but I already read a comment like that 1,000,000 Scarlets isn't a metal album, so we will see what it actually is. Here we go. Bloody Rain. Okay. This sounds like metal to me. Man, I don't know about you, but like this is straight metal, and I love this. I think it's a keyboard synth solo which is going on. So yeah, really fantastic solo, but I just love the effect. It's also in Lightbringer, so I'm not sure, maybe Mao is in here as well, because he's a lot of times doing that. But I just love this synth solo. It sounds so good. Especially with that metal at the back. Violin. That Fuki vibrato. Man. Okay, didn't even know the song's almost 6 minutes. But man, there was a lot of good stuff in here. Really enjoyed that song. Um, I mean, all these soli, guitar soli, even violin soli, synth soli mixed together. I have to say though, it's kind of what I thought it would be, at least this first song. I have no idea if the rest will maybe sound completely different. But this first song, kind of like a mix of Unlucky Morpheus and Lightbringer, from what I know. You know, absolutely has this dark metal style, but a bit of, how should I say, more like adventurous, that I feel comes from Lightbringer. And also not as much focus like on her voice that I thought, because I thought, like Fuki solo projects probably about Fuki and her voice. And I mean, she still sounds amazing, don't get me wrong, but it's not like this, like her vocals were the focus on this song. To me, it was much more the instrumentation, and it was really great. Really, man, I don't have this one. I only have it digital, so I cannot look like in the booklet, and I would really like to know who is like in there, who's doing the music, because to me it could be like Mao from Lightbringer and Sheeran maybe from Unlucky Morpheus actually playing here, but I have no idea. You guys will have to tell me that. Also a lot of like interesting, like a lot of layers on her voice in certain parts. I'm not sure, might be herself, like layering with herself, but so many layers it almost sounded like a choir made out of Fukis. Interesting stuff. I'm really looking forward to hear the rest of this project. So let me know your thoughts and see you in the next one. Bye.